Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and a viewer or a subscriber asked me a question about one. He really liked my back of page up here, and instead of having to go through arrange and back of page, you just click on the item and hit back of the page. And he's like me, uses the Smart Fill tool a lot, and he wanted to put the Smart Fill tool up here, but he couldn't find it. So when you go to Tools and your Smart Fill is right here, or some versions is down here, but mine's right there. It's in your toolbox. So if you go to customization, and this was what was fooling him, he goes to the toolbox and it's not there. Well, I think that's what these are. These are tools that can draw something in the, and I'm just guessing here. I think the Smart Fill tool isn't a tool, it's a command. So the Smart Fill tool is under commands. And then when you go here, you go File, and it is in the toolbox where he was looking. And then you just go down to Smart Fill tool, and just, if you ever want to, you can use the magnifying glass or the binoculars right here and just type in SM for Smart, find next. There's the Smart Drawing tool, and it's right below there. So click on the Smart Fill tool and hold down the Alt button and just move it. And then you can move it up here. Then you need to hit OK to make it stay there. Now to customize that, you would left click, customize tool item, and I want it captioned to the right, just like I have on my back of the page. Then I'm pretty sure you have to go to Tools and Save as Default to make it stay there the next time you want it. But it is kind of cool to have it up there. If you want a Smart Fill tool, and I'm kind of happy. I never had thought about putting it up there, but it is a little more visible than that because I work with a bunch of different versions. I have X6 that I make the videos in. I go out to the laser and I have X7, and I've got even X19 on my laptop, and the Smart Fill tools in different spots. So this will come in handy. But you can do this with any tool and put it up there. I mean, I use the virtual segment delete key a lot, so you always want to make sure you're off your, I use the virtual segment delete key a lot, so I've got it right here. I use it so much. I actually have it in several spots. I mean, I've got it there, but a lot of times your crop tool is there, so you have to go hit the window to get the virtual segment delete key. But if you have it right here, you can just delete stuff. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.